Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how you can set up your machine for Java. So first thing is we will need to go to uh, Google to download JDK, and you can click on the first link and then you can just go ahead and download it from here. Now one thing you need to note is that you need to know which operating system you have, and for that you can just go to this PC and then properties. So mine is Windows 10 and then 64-bit operating system. So I will have to go here, go to Windows 64-bit installer. I'll click here and then download it. So once it's downloaded, you can just click on it to begin the installation. And it will show something like this alert message, and you can just click yes, and I'll minimize this, and then here you can click next, and it will install Java in your C drive. So it is successfully installed. Now you would need to go to this PC again. You would go to C, program files, go to Java, and then you would go to the latest one you have installed. Then you will go to bin. Now you would right click, copy address. We're doing this because we would like to set up our environment variables. So now we will go to system, edit system environment variables, and for that you will see a window like this, and then you will click on this environment variables, and on this you'll click on path, you will click on edit, then you'll go to the bottom and then click new, and then you will paste it. Just control V and then click OK, click OK there, and then here. Now let's check which version of Java do we have. CMD, and open this. So now we will type in Java version. So now you can see you have the latest version installed on your machine, and that's it. Thanks for watching.